ago we had a baby hippo born. Mama is usually the very first hippo that you see over here on the left. Now, the birds are pink-backed pelicans. Their backs will turn pink during the mating season. Their eggs will incubate in about 30 days. We're going to make our way around the bend towards a pretty unpredictable bridge. So we're going to move right on up this hill. And we're leaving the forest, heading towards the savannah. Dirt. White-bearded wildebeest, one of Africa's largest migrations. They will migrate sometimes in the millions. The zebras are Hartman mountain zebra. Zebra stripes are unique to each animal, just like our fingerprints. No two zebra has exactly the same are Maasai giraffes. Now they have a jagged, irregular spot pattern. And most people know giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, which they are. What you might not know is the rest of the time they're either eating or they're looking for food. Over here on the left, sometimes a little hard to see this time of day because it's so hot, are some wild African dogs. And they're also called painted dogs. And they are lions if they don't catch what they're after. I know how it feels. Tongue just isn't long enough. They bake in the hot Africans. So he's only a couple of months old. We think he's very cute. Now a group of giraffes is called a tower. So he is newest baby of the tower.
¿Qué?
Bueno, es grande la fuente.
Sí.
We're heading to a group of elephants, generally are adult females and their babies.
Chulo.
And the biggest threat to elephants are humans. They hunt elephants for their tusks. They're also moving into their habitat in very large numbers. A flock of great flamingo. Palest pink coloring comes from the keratin. But only for several hundred feet.
Yeah.
They overheat very easily, and there's one walking around back there.
¿Dónde está, Ivan?
There's only large cats that purr, just like a house cat. Another defense, they smell really bad. I figure over here on the right are a couple of ostriches at about 40 miles an hour. And it looks like our journey is coming to a caring for a herd of Nigerian dwarfs.